Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your investments with Fidelity Investments, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a Fidelity Investments account if you don't already have one. Visit the Fidelity website and click on the Open an Account button. Select the type of account you wish to open, such as an individual brokerage account or a retirement account. Fill out the necessary personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Set up your account by linking your bank account for funding purposes. Once your account is established, familiarize yourself with the Fidelity platform. Explore the investment options available, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs. Utilize the research tools provided by Fidelity to analyze potential investments. Check the performance history and expense ratios of mutual funds or ETFs you are considering. Consider setting up automatic contributions to your investment account for consistent saving. Diversify your portfolio by spreading your investments across different asset classes. Regularly review your investment portfolio and adjust as necessary to align with your financial goals. Use Fidelity's educational resources to learn more about market trends and investment strategies. Consider consulting with a Fidelity advisor for personalized investment guidance. Monitor your investments regularly and stay informed about market changes. Set long-term goals and focus on strategies that align with those objectives. Stay disciplined and avoid making impulsive investment decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Implement risk management strategies to protect your investments, such as stop-loss orders. Review your financial plan periodically to ensure that your investments remain aligned with your objectives. Take advantage of Fidelity's retirement planning tools for long-term investment strategies. Understand the tax implications of your investments and plan accordingly. By following these steps, you can effectively protect your investments with Fidelity Investments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.